Problem solution essay. I have had told you about different categories of essays in my introductory video on IELTS essay writing. Then I had mentioned about a category of essay which is problem cause solution essay, where they will give you an issue and ask you to describe the causes and suggest the solutions. But today, let's learn another one which is slightly different from problem cause solution essay. The one which we are going to discuss today is problem solution essay. What is that? They will give you an issue and they will ask you only to suggest solutions. You don't need to deal with the causes. Therefore, as you get the question along with the topic, please be assured that you understand it carefully. Means whether it is a problem cause solution essay or problem solution essay. Now let's learn to write it, which is problem solution essay. Before we start, let me read out the issue along with the question. Some children have serious weight problems. What are the possible solutions? Now let's start with paraphrasing. And I am sure by this time you already know how to do it. The technique which I suggest is to break the topic into pieces meaningfully. Thus, let's do it in the following way. Some children, weight problems, serious. This is how I break the issue into pieces. Now, our task is to find out the alternative words or the most suitable synonyms. These are the corresponding words which I find. Some children, a few little ones, weight problems, obesity, serious, major. Okay, we got the synonyms or the alternative words. Our next task is to combine them meaningfully and write a beautiful sentence without changing the central meaning of the given issue. And here I would like to start with the word obesity. And I continue like this. Obesity is a major issue among a few little ones. Look, the same topic has been written in my own words and my own sentence. Next, let's proceed to write the thesis statement. And we know thesis statement is our answer or response to the given question. Here the question is, what are the possible solutions? For this question, my answer is awareness programs. I choose this point precisely because it is easy for me to explain. Therefore, please keep in mind that when you practice writing thesis statement, choose those points which are easy and comfortable for you to elaborate. Now, taking the point awareness programs, I make a sentence as follows. However, this can be easily tackled by conducting awareness programs at domestic as well as academic levels. Awareness program is my central point and it should be given at different levels, domestic as well as academic levels. So I got 2 points to be discussed in main body paragraph 1 as well as in main body paragraph 2. Here, awareness program is my main point and it should be given in 2 levels. One is domestic or family and the other is school. Okay, before I proceed, let me read out the paraphrasing as well as the thesis statement once again. Obesity is a major issue among a few little ones. However, this can be easily tackled by conducting awareness programs at domestic as well as academic levels. Now let's do the main body paragraph 1. Our first task is to write a topic sentence and we write it based on the first point in the thesis statement. Okay? To get my topic sentence, I ask the question, to whom the awareness program must be given? The answer is very simple, that is to parents. Awareness programs must be given to parents. Since we got the idea, let's write the topic sentence now. And I start with the linking phrase to begin with. To begin with, one of the possible solutions to uproot this is to educate the parents towards providing nutritious food to their offspring. Educate the parents, which means make the parents aware. This is the topic of the paragraph. My next task is to give supportive arguments. So I ask a question to the topic sentence. Why the parents should be educated? This question will enable me to write a logical answer, and here is it. This is necessary because is a linking word. Because they, out of their excessive affection, tend to give the latter high calorie edibles and snacks. To write the next supportive argument, I ask a question to this sentence. What happens if such food is given? Answer to this question will become my next supportive argument. And this is that. As a result of their frequent consumption, as a result, linking phrase. As a result of their frequent consumption, the small ones put up weight, which makes them weak and sick. Do you understand the technique I use to get my supportive arguments? I am asking questions to the pre-written sentence. I am asking WH questions, and answer to those questions will automatically become my supportive arguments. So what is next? What is to be done? Or what is the solution? Answer to this question is my next supportive argument. Therefore, a linking word. Therefore, guardians must be trained to bring up their sons or daughters following a healthy diet. Look, I have written reasonable arguments. My next task is to write an example, which will be establishing my entire points in the paragraph. For instance, the primary health centers in Kerala conduct orientation programs for young families towards serving adequate nutrients to their children. Resultantly, this is a linking word. The young children in the villages stay fit. I have successfully completed my main body paragraph 1. My next task is to write main body paragraph 2. In the main body paragraph 2, we elaborate the second point in the thesis statement. And here it is awareness program at the second level, which means at the academic level. So let's write the topic sentence first. Let's ask the question, how awareness programs in the schools? Answer to this question will give me the topic sentence. I begin with a linking phrase. As a second measure, the concerned teachers need to make the youngsters health conscious and engage them with workouts while they are in schools. I use the word the concerned teachers, not all teachers. The concerned teachers means the physical education teachers. It is their duty to make the students or the children aware. Next, I must give supportive arguments for this topic sentence, and I follow the same technique of asking question. I ask the question why they should make the students or the young children aware. This question helps me to get a convincing and a logical answer, and this is that. This is required as the launch of smartphones, tablets, and video games have addicted them to a sedentary life, where sports, movies, and other entertainments are at their fingertips, and the lack of exercise adversely affects their body. This is a complex sentence. See, in our writing, we have to use complex sentences. Only then we will be able to get a higher band score. Here I have formulated this complex sentence using two linking devices as well as and. My next question, so what to do? And I automatically get an answer, a logical response. Therefore, while being in school, ample importance should be given for physical education. This must be done. What should be done? This must be done. Did you get the technique? Means by asking WH question to the already written sentence or the idea, we can generate our supportive arguments. Now I have to give an example, and this is what I gave. For example, a rule has been enacted recently advocating to set apart one period daily for doing sports and games during school days to keep the pupils healthy. See, my main body paragraph second is complete. Our next or the last task is to write the conclusion, and we summarize the main body paragraph in two sentences. That's all. To conclude, The problem of being obese among the upcoming generation is a significant concern of the time. However, proper accompaniment to them by parents, teachers, and the health instructors can resolve it completely. Well, my essay is complete. I think you got the idea. It is very simple. I started with asking questions, and those questions gave me logical answers, and they became my topic sentences as well as supportive arguments. Please note the synonyms I used for children: little ones, offspring, the latter, the small ones, sons and daughters, the young, youngsters, pupils, upcoming generation. And for parents, these are the other words which I employed: guardians, young families, domestic level. I hope that this would be useful to you. See you soon with the next essay. Thank you.